Hello students. Hi everyone. You all are welcome to the class of Women Entrepreneurship. Today we are going to discuss about women entrepreneurship and problems faced by women entrepreneurs. There is a definition given by Government of India. As per this definition, women entrepreneurs are an enterprise owned and controlled by women having a minimum financial interest of 51% of the capital and giving at least 51% of the employment generated in the enterprise to women. As per this definition, there is only two conditions. The majority or more than 50% of the must be capital must be owned and controlled by women. And more than 51 or more than 50% of the employment generated must be given to women employees. So such company we call it as women enterprises. Another definition it is women entrepreneurs are those women who think of a business enterprise, who initiate it, organize it, operate it, and undertake risk and uncertainty involved in the business. Them we call as women entrepreneurs. It may be a woman or a group of women who initiate, organize, and operate a business enterprise. Women who innovate, imitate, or adopt a business activity are called business women entrepreneurs. Our next topic it is problems of women entrepreneurs. The greatest deterrent to women entrepreneurs is that they are women. A kind of male-dominant social order is the stumbling block to them in their way towards business success. The first problem it is shortage of finance. As we know, finance is the lifeblood of business. We require finance in its every stage of business. So family members do not encourage women entrepreneurs. They hesitate to invest money in the business venture initiated by women entrepreneurs. Bank and other financial institutions do not consider women entrepreneurs as proper applicants because they are unsure as to who will repay the loan. So normally women entrepreneurs faces a lot of difficulties in mobilizing funds required for starting a business venture. Then second one it is keen competition. Women face a lot of competition from men and from organized industries. Due to limited mobility, they find difficult to compete with the men and from established industries. Then high cost of production. High prices of material, low productivity, underutilization of capacity, etc. account for high cost of production. Then shortage of raw material. It is very difficult to procure material and other necessary inputs. If it is a scarce resource or if it is needs to be imported from other nation, it will be very difficult concern to a woman. Then low mobility. One of the biggest handicaps of women entrepreneur is her inability to travel from one place to another for business purpose. Moving alone and asking for a room to stay out in the night are still looked with suspicious eyes. The lack of education, it is another big problem faced by women entrepreneurs. Women in India are lagging far behind in the field of education. It is believed that man is the breadwinner of the family. Even if she is educated, she may not have technical and business education which is needed for running a business enterprises. Next one is low capacity to bear risk. Low level risk taking attitude is another problem faced by women entrepreneurs. Low level education provides low level self confidence and self reliance to the women folk to engage in business. Another social attitude. Women do not get equal treatment in a male dominated society. She faces discrimination everywhere. It is believed that skill imparted to girl is lost when she gets married. And family responsibility, it is another major problem faced by women. Women's family and personal obligation are sometimes a great barrier for succeeding in business career. Women Women's family obligation also bar them from becoming a successful entrepreneur in both developed and developing nation. In the male-dominated society, it is treated as take care of family is the primary responsibility of women. And inadequate marketing facilities. Stiff competition in the market and lack of mobility of women make the dependence of women entrepreneurs on middlemen. They have to depend on office staffs and intermediaries to get things done, especially the marketing and sales side of business. All these are about major problems faced by entrepreneurs or women entrepreneurs. In next week, we will start a new topic. Okay, thank you all.